The Simpsons has a long history of making predictions about the future, some of which may still come true. From Bigfoot sightings and the merging of news networks like CNN, CBS, to the potential colonization of Mars and advancements in cryogenics, the show has touched on many intriguing possibilities. Episodes such as Lisa's Wedding envision a digital Big Ben and even hints at hover cars, while The Simpsons movie explores environmental catastrophes with Springfield encased in a glass dome. Moreover, the show's Halloween episode humorously predicts Ivana Trump's presidential run, and a World Cup match between Mexico and Portugal has been mentioned, although it's yet to occur. Each prediction, whether serious or satirical, showcases the show's unique blend of humor and foresight.